Welcome to Specview Secrets, the video tutorial series that helps you use Specview human-machine interface software with Watlow products. In this installment, you will learn how to use the sample configuration to set up and manage alarms, operate ramp and soak profiles, edit a profile, save a profile in a recipe, and download a recipe with a profile. In this session, we will use the sample configuration entitled Watlow EasyZone PM Standard Bus. The computer is connected to an EasyZone PM controller and communications was previously established. The Alarms button opens the Alarms screen. Here you can monitor and set up alarms 1 through 4. To see an alarm occur, set the alarm type to Process Alarm. Set the latching option to Latching. Set the alarm's high set point to a value below the actual temperature. "15" will do. When the alarm occurs in the controller, the alarm status in the Specview window changes to Alarm High. To clear the alarm, set the high set point above the actual temperature. Once OK to clear is displayed, you can click the Clear button to reset the latching alarm. The Profiles button opens the profile screen. This screen includes the PM Profile Instrument View, which displays the process variable, set point, and other parameters useful to monitor when running profiles. You can also select a profile to run and operate it with the buttons along the bottom. You can start, pause, resume, and end profiles. The last button, Program, opens the parameter list, which gives you access to program all 40 profile steps. The parameters for the first 10 steps are also available on the screen. Click a parameter value to edit it. Click Recipe to open Specview's Recipe Manager. When the Recipe Manager is open, items on the screen that are in the recipe are indicated with boxes around them. You can open, save, and delete recipes with the Recipe Manager. If you edit the values in the boxes, the changes are not sent to the PM until you click Send. Using the Recipe Manager, you can create and save numerous profiles, each in a Specview recipe. When you select a recipe in the list, the parameter settings saved in that recipe are displayed on the screen, but they are not loaded into the controller unless you click Send. When you're done working with recipes, click Exit to close the Recipe Manager. The Main button takes you back to the first window in the sample configuration. The Full Screen button reveals the Specview and Windows menus so you can exit when you're done. We hope you found this installment of Specview Secrets helpful. We will explore some of the topics just touched on here in more detail in other installments.